Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, we definitely have been going up for quite a while now, but I still think this move up is a crutch into this move down. I still think this is going to go down for a wave C or maybe even possibly a wave 3, depending on whether this is an A or a 1 or this is a B or a 2. Either way, definitely not important to know the difference as of yet, I don't think. Going down to the weekly time frame, this move up looks extremely corrective, especially compared to this move down, which I think is a 1. I think this move up is a 2. I think this is a 1-2 of C or possibly a 1-2 of 3. I think more likely a 1-2 of 3 though. A 1-2 of C, I mean. So a 1-2-3 of wave C is what I expect to see on the weekly. Taking it down even more to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, very, very, very sideways, but we still haven't hit that 61% that I keep looking at. I still think it is going to go up maybe to the 61, possibly even further to the 78.6 before we actually do get this push to the downside. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame looks to me like we already have a big ABC correction right here that went to the 61.8. Nice impulsive up, corrective down again. Kind of almost looks like it's trying to form a WXY on the sort of time frames before it actually does continue the uptrend, but the trend is up to me, and I am definitely looking for longs on sort of time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame is where you can see what I mean, because it looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. It might even end up being like a flat, and if that's the case, it would make 5 waves down. Or if it really is a WXY, then it would be a 3, 3, 3 pattern, which would be 3 waves down. So I'm not really convinced that it really is going to do that. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. The trend is definitely up on all the higher time frames, so even if it does go down, that's actually good news for me because that will give me a good chance to go long. But it very easily could just make a little pullback and just keep on going up. The trend is definitely up on all the higher time frames, and until proven otherwise, I am definitely looking for longs. Whether it makes a WXY, whether it makes some sort of a flat, doesn't really matter to me because either scenario, I definitely will be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks on these sort of time frames until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord group in the card up here, linked in the card up above. And don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.